Oh goodness, we didn't see you there. Welcome to Unity, winter 2022-2023.
Hey Unity Tigers, we're so excited to share with you everything that's been going on this school year.
We just finished MAP right before break. Students did a phenomenal job. So excited to see all the growth that was made, both in reading and in math scores. Can't wait to see what we do this spring.
Our Unity Leadership Team, or ULT, has been busy completing a book study and practicing their leadership skills at our PBS student team meetings. Additionally, our best buddies just took a field trip to the Museum of Science and Industry, where we got to see holidays around the world.
And Tigers, just a friendly reminder, the doors open at 7:30, so please make sure that we are dressed for the temperatures.
Hey everybody, Mr. Pom Pom here with Mr. Bauman. We just want to say congrats to all the students that made the honor roll this past quarter. We had 157 7th graders and 200 8th graders. Great work, Tigers. You can do it. We can't wait to see what you do next quarter.
Here at Unity, we also have a variety of sports teams. Our boys soccer teams were both undefeated all season. Our dance team entertained the school at assemblies, basketball games, and a variety of other events. Our Special Olympics bowling team did great in their first year. Co-ed wrestling has now started in addition to girls volleyball. Try out for a team. We have something for everyone.
Hi everybody, just in case you don't know who I am, I'm Mr. Rosales, and I enjoyed myself so much at the dance. We're going to have another one in the spring. Also, we're going to have monthly incentives with the gaming truck. Hopefully you'll be able to join us.
Mr. Boyevich here. Don't forget to update your contact information. That means if you have any changes to your email, your phone numbers, what have you, because it's important for you to receive information from us.
Hello, Unity family. So far, we've had 2 family nights. Hope you were in attendance. If not, save the date. We have our next family night coming up, March 15th, and it's team night. We want to make sure you're there. So if you're not getting our information, like Mr. B said, make sure your information is updated so we can send you the flyers.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Ibarra. Just a reminder, January 17th, some of our students will begin access testing. This is a multi-day test. Please make sure our students are well rested and come prepared for testing, including bringing a Chromebook that is fully charged.
Since our first day of school in August, teachers have given out over 295,000 hero points. So Tigers, keep following those expectations and get those points.
We saw a lot of great hard work in the first half of the year. In the second half of the year, let's finish strong. Think about your goals. Think about what you want to do for a career in college and come back strong.
All right, I'm going to keep this real short. Be on the lookout. It's that time to get some graduation announcements. Everybody, keep it together. 7th grade, we have lots of cool stuff for you guys to do too. And stay warm, everybody.